Good afternoon, students. Today we are going to learn a new topic or a new lesson from our English textbook. So, students, can you answer a simple question that I am going to ask? So, students, can you tell me an animal which lives on trees? The animal jumps from one tree to another tree. Can anyone tell me the name of this animal? Yes, monkey. We see monkeys, they live on trees. We can see them when we are going to a native place or village areas or mountain areas. We see monkeys. Okay students, so today I am going to tell you or today I am going to explain this lesson related to a monkey or we can say many monkeys. So the monkeys are also having a king monkey. So this story is related to the king monkey. So the name of the lesson is The Noble Monkey. In a forest glade. The meaning of glade is an open space. An open space means in a forest there is an open space. Like we are having a playground where we play. That is an open space. So in the forest glade on the banks of the river Ganga. Now river Ganga. We have heard many rivers named. Few we know more, that is river Ganga, river Yamuna, river Saraswati. We can find many rivers in India, but few of them are popular. So now students, there was a tall shady mango tree. Now students, this is a forest. Nearby the forest there is a bank of river Ganga. Bank means the near side of river. So river Ganga, there was a tall shady mango tree. There was a big mango tree. Every year it bore big juicy mangoes. Means what is mean by bore? Bore means grew or grow. Every year there were mangoes growing on that tree. The mangoes were big and juicy. That were very sweet to taste. Everyone knows and everyone's favorite fruit is mango. As it is very sweet in taste, it is also called as the king of all the fruits. In the forest, there lived hundreds of monkeys with their king. So students, in that forest, 100 monkeys were living with the king of monkeys. The monkey king was bigger, stronger and also wiser than all the other monkeys. So students, the monkey king was bigger, he was stronger and also wiser. Wiser means clever, clever than all the other monkeys. He was very much clever, wiser, bigger and stronger. That's why he was the king of all the other monkeys. The monkeys loved the mango tree for its spreading branches, cool shade and delicious fruit. All the monkeys loved the mango tree because it was a shady and tall mango tree. So all the monkeys were playing and they were living on that mango tree and they feel relaxed in the shade, cool shade of the mango tree and they eat the delicious mango, the delicious fruit. So they were staying on the tree, they were playing on it, they are living on the mango tree. They often played about on the tree and enjoyed eating the tasty mangoes. The monkeys were staying on the trees, they were playing, They were enjoying eating the mangoes. Students, when our mother goes to the market and when she brings mango, we love to eat, not mangoes and any other fruits. When our mother brings something at home, we eat it and we enjoy the taste. Okay? Their king warned them, don't let even a single mango fall into the river. If the current carries it down to the land of man, they will come here in search of the heavenly fruit and destroy the peace of this land. Their king warned them. The king gives order and warn every monkeys that this mango should not fall into the river, because if the mango will fall in the river, it slowly carries down with the water, and when a person or a human being or a man can get this mango, they will taste the fruit, taste the mango, and they will come in search of this delicious fruit. So the king has warned the other monkeys not to make any mango fall into the river. So students, today we have learned two paragraphs of this lesson. So related to this lesson, I have given you some question that you have to find the answers from your textbooks. So the first question is, where do the monkeys live? The second question is, describe the taste of mangoes. Question number 3, how was the monkey king? Question number 4 is, what did the king monkey warn other monkeys? So students, tomorrow bring the English notebook and you have to bring your book for correction. You have to write all the answers properly and bring it tomorrow. Okay students? Thank you.